In this video, I am going to share with you some basic questions based on train. Question number first is, a train traveling at 60 km per hour crosses a man in 6 seconds. What is the length of the train? In this question, observe that the man is stationary. Only the moving part is train. So the distance traveled will be equals to the length of the train. The formula for calculating distance is speed multiplied by time. In our case, speed is 60 km per hour and time is 6 seconds. Before doing the calculation, please observe that the units of both should be same. Here the unit of time is hour, but in this case it's seconds. So first we are going to convert it into meter per second. The basic rule to convert into meter per second is to multiply it by 5 by 18. So it will become 50 by 3 meter per seconds. Now the distance equals to speed, that is 50 by 3 multiplied by time, that is 6 seconds. So the length of the train will come as 100 meters. Question number 2 is, if a train runs at a rate of 60 km per hour, it reaches its destination early by 30 minutes. And if it runs at a rate of 40 km per hour, then it reaches 30 minutes late. So let us assume that the scheduled time be t hours. Here also the speed is in kilometer per hour, but the time is in minutes. So 30 minutes can be written as half hour. Again, the distance is speed multiplied by time. If it is running at 60 km per hour, speed is 60. It reaches early by 30 minutes. So it will take half hour less than the scheduled time. So time will be half hour less. But if it is traveling at 40 km per hour, then it is going to be 30 minutes late. Means it will take half hour more than the scheduled time. So it will be t1 plus 2. But both of these are the distances traveled by the train. So equate these both. On taking the LCM, you will get 60 2t minus 1 upon 2 equals to 40 2t plus 1 upon 2. Cancel 3 and 2. Solving this equation, we are going to get the value of the scheduled time. Our time will be 5 by 2 hours. But in the question it is asked, find the length of the train. So that will be value. Put the value of the time in either of the equation. You can either put it in 60 into t minus 1 by 2 or in 40 multiplied by t plus 1 by 2. On putting the value of time, I will get 5 minus 1, 4 upon 2, and it will come as 120 kilometer. So the distance traveled by the train is 120 kilometers. In question number 3, it is asked, how long will a 150 meter long train running at a speed of 60 km per hour will take to cross a bridge of 300 meter? So here the train has to cross a 300 meter long bridge. So the distance traveled will be the length of the bridge and the length of the train, because coming at the end, the train has to cross the full length of the train plus the length of the bridge. So in this case, our distance will be length of bridge plus length of train. It is important to note that we have to add these both to take the distance. 300 meter plus 150 meter. So distance traveled will be 450 meter. Speed here is 60 kilometer per hour. First, I have to convert this speed into meter per seconds. So multiply it by 5 by 18. It will become 50 by 3 meters per second. The formula for calculating time is distance upon speed. Distance here is 450. Speed is 50 by 3. On solving this, we will get the time. So it is going to take only 27 seconds to cross the bridge. This question is very important. A train takes 30 seconds to cross a 200-meter long platform and 40 seconds to cross a 300-meter long platform. Find the length of the train. So let us assume that the length of the train be x meter. The formula to calculate the speed is distance upon time. When the train is crossing a 200-meter long platform, the distance traveled by the train will be the length of the platform plus the length of the train, and it takes 30 seconds. So this will be the speed of the train. When it is crossing a 300-meter long platform, the distance traveled will be 300 plus x and time taken was 40 seconds. Both of these are speed of the train, so these must be equal. Equate these both. Cross multiply. On cross multiplying, we will get 4 into 200 plus x equals to 3 multiplied by 300 plus x. 800 plus 4x equals to 900 plus 3x. 4x minus 3x equals to 900 minus 800. So length of the train is 100 meters.